This is the mechanical hardware of the project we are going to present. This mechanical hardware is basically a gear system which derives the motors connected to it and further on the modules which produce electricity. In this hardware we have a plate where the footstep would be exerting the pressure. This system could be laid down anywhere in places where we need to install and make use of the production of electricity. Whenever we exert a pressure through a foot on this plate, this system would in turn derive the gears connected. The teeth of the gear are selected according to the RPMs which are required to be produced by the wheel connected to it. Here the teeth, as you can see, will rotate the chain and the chain will rotate the wheel in turn. The wheel is connected to a motor which is driven by the RPMs produced by the pressure which is being exerted. This motor is further on connected to the modules which would be producing electricity. And these modules, as you can see here, will be explained to you further on by my another team member.
As explained by my team member, this is the mechanical hardware, and now as we are going to keep our foot on this plate, this is being pressed and you can see the motion of the gear and this flywheel. Now this flywheel has led this motor to move, and this motor will produce some rotational energy which will be converted into electricity by the further modules connected. And these modules have been designed according to the very less range of voltage, and this can be increased by connecting another battery, another voltage here. A motor can be connected here so as to increase the voltage of the battery charging or any module that we can work on. Now, as this flywheel is being moved, as I have to show here, this motor will be moved by it. And now this voltage has been fed to this DC buck converter, that is LM2576. This circuit has been there, and this is the input which is applied to it, and further on its output is connected to LM317, which is just a simple battery charger, and this simple battery charger charges this cell. Now I will show you the voltage of this cell by using a multimeter. The voltage here on the motor, as we move this, that will be shown by the multimeter as I rotate it. As I will rotate it, that will be shown here. You can see this will be ranging from 6 to 7 volts as we will be moving the flywheel. And this 6 to 7 volts is then given to the DC buck converter, and which then further charges the battery, and further MSP 430 module can be connected from this output of the DC converter, which works on any of the module like LED blinking or any other purpose, and that we will be showing in the next. Now, as the output has been given to, as the output is being generated by the DC converter, that output is then fed to the MSP 430, which we have just run a LED blinking program with that, and that is the program has been made by using the Code Composer software. This is the Code Composer program of LED blinking flash, and this program has been debugged and there are no errors in the program, and this MSP 430 is made on, and this is then connected to this so as to blink the LEDs. The output has been given to this MSP 430 so that the LEDs that glow.
The advantages of this project are that this mechanical hardware is made as such that it can be laid down to any place where we want to install it. This can be laid in the basement under the flooring tiles or at any places where we could use the human footsteps and their pressure to generate electricity. We all know that electricity is the basic requirement of everybody in this growing era of population. So, thereby, even 1% of change in the amount of electricity which is to be produced can lead to crores of smiles on the faces of people by making use of a non-conventional resource, which is human energy. At the end, we would like to thank Chitkara University, Texas Instruments and our mentors for guiding us such a golden opportunity so that we could complete our project work.
Thank you.
Thank you.